fantastic to see rugby actually on the mice itself, because obviously it has a lot of resonance here, being in the Eisteddfod. And I think what's great is lots of the movements are very familiar to people who are obviously rugby fans, or not even. So I think it's lovely to see that moments within the choreography. I think Ferguson did a really clever job putting that together, mixing kind of contemporary dance with the physicality and the kind of grounding of rugby.
I love the jumps and like all the tricks because it really had like different dynamics, and there was lots of fast movements and slow movements which had a massive variety.
Rugby really drew me in from the mice. It was visually stunning, and there was a real sense of celebration of Welsh culture watching it as well. I felt really proud.
And I think it was very connected to us as we in Wales love rugby.
I thought it was brilliant, yeah. Terrific body control and facial expressions. They were really, you could see that they were playing.
I thought it was really cool. I loved the unison bits, and it really represented how in rugby people work as a team, and it was representing as unison, as everybody was combined with each other and everyone's on time. It really showed like that kind of commitment to each other.
Nes I fwynhau yn arw yr elfennau tawer, lle oedd y danswyr yn cymryd eu hamser i ddatblygu'r symudiad ac i jyst i ddod i fyny yn climax yn sort of symud.
And it looks fantastic, the outside, of course, with the dancers literally kind of digging and rooting themselves in the ground. And also I'd be really intrigued to see it inside on the stage. So I think it can work outside fantastically well, and also inside I think it'll be really a stunning piece of work.